Right guys, so actually gonna make a couple of quick videos here, but again just kind of getting personal again on the channel, and obviously you have realised probably that, no, the ones that watch very regular will have realised I haven't really uploaded that much videos recently, and obviously that's to do with how busy I've been and haven't really made much footage. Again, working on a film, so I can't really take any footage of that work, and it's been non-stop and very hard. But the important news that I have to share with you is actually that I've had another baby, so another mini macro on the bed. So yeah, again, why I've been very busy, and the wife's doing brilliant. She's actually doing all the heavy lifting with it, but hopefully work will slow down a wee bit in the next couple of weeks, and I can really help out better there. Also, with the new build, with it being wired and stuff, I'm sort of trying to do as much on the weekends as possible. So it's just kind of hard to juggle that way. But yeah, very excited. Baby and the mummy's both doing brilliant, and the other two babies are doing brilliant too. So we did a time capsule all not that long ago too. So I'm gonna have to try and make another one and maybe bury it onto the screen in the house. But that's the sort of personal sort of video done. I sort of made one for every one of the kids that were born on the channel. It's just sort of, it's more for me than anybody else. But yeah.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.